unplanned training day on a weekday with Beef, Kevin, Ron. We're doing a short route today, just a VK route of Parawagan. Well, if you get more excited, we'll probably do more later, but we'll see. We have an injured person, Rock, behind.
Somewhere.
I don't know where he is. Oh yeah, he went to the regular route. But let's see, we don't want him to wait long anyway, so we'll see. Okay, it starts here. Poles out, no poles. No, I haven't recovered yet, that's why. But here we are.
Ask me again later.
Assault. Now you can do it. It's just me, I'm pretty weak today. Let's go.
Good, bro. Hey, Ron, how we doing?
Mountain food.
Mountain food. What is that?
Well, masarap pa.
Where's the road to Parawagan? I like your goatee. Kevin, you like the warm-up? Yeah. Gradient is terrible. It's lovely though. Woo!
Sai, what's up?
Sky. We're doing well. We're fast. It's steep, but the weather is helping. It's cold. So we haven't actually drank water yet.
We're drinking our sweat.
There's a reason why Ron is smiling.
Pole, pole, pole.
Mudfest, Mudfest, Mudfest.
Tough mother.
Yep, Mudfest. Can't really run those, kind of dangerous, like if it's sticky. Plan is to find Rocky. Operation Rescue Rocky.
How you doing, Rocky? How was your first time again?
So far, so good. Plantar's not flaring up.
Everything
Yeah.
tight?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah. So we reached the peak.
Watch out.
We found.
Hey, hi guys. Long time no see.
Hi.
Watch out.
So he's back. Ron's made it. Has made it.
Pork up to the chop.
Muddy. Yeah, welcome back. Finishing line. Yeah. Good job. Good job, bro. Nice. Good job. Yeah. Yeah. Rocky.